To ensure stability in its agricultural sector, China is not leaving things to Mother Nature. The Chinese government is planning to employ upgraded weather control systems in Heilongjiang, Jilin, and Liaoning, the three provinces responsible for 54% of the nation's rice production. The project, which will continue until June, involves creating artificial rain using cloud seeding, special aircraft, rockets, and much more. China has been tinkering with the idea for years, but how controllable can the weather be? Skeptics fear the consequences of meddling with nature at this level could be dire.
Just get on to Mr. Fletcher. Another question on the in an interview with the Los Angeles Times on April 21st, you said that you told the Associated Press that the American government has created weather tampering techniques so that the New World Order will be able to starve millions of Americans and to control the rest. Would you explain what you were trying to say?
Well, what I was trying to say is exactly what I said. There is weather control techniques. We have a complete package on that, which I did not bring, but I certainly will see to it that it is brought in for the record. Number one, the entire patents on the equipment. Number two, Senator Claiborne Pell's complete statement and story of his own that not only does it exist, but that we even utilize it as far back as the Vietnam War. You might want to touch base with Senator Pell.
I just want to repeat before I turn to
yes, but we do have all that information.
You're saying the government has created weather tampering techniques so that the, quote, New World Order will be able to starve millions of Americans.
Worldwide.
Millions of Americans, and to control the rest.
Yes, sir, and that's my belief.
All right, guys, welcome in. Welcome back. The whole West Coast is burning. Major event. All right, got to get the scene to change. Looks like everything's running. We were buffering there in the beginning for a little bit, but I think we're okay. Do we have audio? Test. I don't see the audio working. Do we have audio? Check. So we should have audio. There we go. Now it's starting to show up. All right. Man, you never know these days. Surprised we're still online. Anyway, we're going to take a look at this, all this stuff, man. And shout out to Dutch, man. After our show last night, I guess he was on doing a show and caught a beam coming out of the fire, which we're going to get into. And look, man, pretty blatant. We need an explanation. Right now we're over here at Jim Lee's Climate Viewer 3D. We're checking out the air quality map. And I mean, just look at the whole West Coast, man. It's all on fire. And these are not natural fires. I don't care what anybody tells you. These are not natural ignitions. They're not natural into the way they're burning. We're looking at the latest worldview image. And we just see, man, we're burning all the way from British Columbia all the way down the coast. We're looking at major smoke. This is like the Paradise Fire times 20. And, oh, man, they're back. And, I mean, they are back. We have bunker fuel ships out here. This happens before every major event. And let me tell you, they're out here super grading again. So they're throwing the kitchen sink at us. It's the New World Order coming in. But every one of these white lines, it starts in a point and then they drift out into a big cloud. I mean, these are some of the bunker fuel ships tracks out here I've ever seen. Like, I mean, we just had the worst bunker fuel operation last week, and now we have some of the thickest. So expect another weather change, another major event. Something's going to happen. It happens every time. Take a look here. Let me get where I want to go here. Didn't have a lot of time to get ready. It's going to be kind of a short show, man. I got a major